Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. Hope you will enjoy it. So today what we are going to do is we are going to prepare this WBS banding color in Excel. So before that I have to illustrate how it works. This is my sheet which I prepared before. Now let's check how it works. So copy the program and paste it here. You see these WBS bands are not appearing. For that purpose, I have write some VBA course which is behind this button. When I press this button, you see the magic. So all WBS is highlighted with the color bands. So if you want to prepare the sheet like this, I have given the link below for my blog, which has all the process and procedure how to prepare this sheet step by step. If you have any other doubts or you have any other suggestion for this, kindly comment in this video and in my blog also. I'm ready to help. Here we have another button which is for the reset purpose, and the code for this button also I have given in the blog. So start preparing this. Hope you like it. Kindly subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.